Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss a very interesting problem asked in many companies, Amazon, Goldman Sachs, Paytm and so many. The question name is wave array. So what the question statement states that you are given an array ARR and it is consisting of non-repeating integers without duplicates, and what you have to do here is you have to sort them. Now the sort of the array is such that it should be in a wave like form. Okay, now what does this wave like form means? It means that, like as you can see, a1 should be greater than a2 and then a2 is less than or equal to a3, so it is like up down and so on. So you can assume it to be like this form. It should be in like this. So the first one should be greater than the second one, or greater than or equal to, and then the second one should be less than or equal to the third one should be greater than or equal to the fourth one, and so on. You have to paste it like this. Now the first intuition which came to my mind when I see this question is that first try to sort the array. So let's assume that you are given some array which is like 3 5 4 1 2. So let's sort this out first. After sorting it will become like 1 2 3 4 5. Now after sorting it become like this. Now what you can do, because the first element should be greater than the second element, let's swap them because this is smaller. Let's swap them. It will become like this. Now what we can see here is, now this is greater than this is smaller. Now again, as you can see, this is greater, this is smaller, but what we want, that this should be greater and then this should be smaller. So what you can do, you can again swap this out and it will become like this, and because last one is remaining, so it will as now you can check that for this example 2 is greater than 1, then 4, then 3, then 5. So it is forming like this pattern. So the first one should be greater according to the question, and then as you can see it is forming this condition. And you can also, when you got some intuition, try to solve it for 2-3 examples. If it is fine, then the logic can be correct. So now as you can see, so you can code it out this problem, and this is the correct form to do this. So let's assume that, remove this part first, sorry. This is the code. Okay, and then as you can see, in which I first sort the whole array, and then for every two consecutive or adjacent like elements, what you can do, you have to just swap them out. After sorting it out, jump for 2, because like I first take this, then I take this. When I is at this point, I will swap the I and I plus 1. So I will swap I and I plus 1. This is to check that if it is an even, then you can swap them. If it is an odd, you cannot swap them, the last element. And this is the logic. So as you can see, the running time of this is O of n log n, because you have to sort this out. And yeah, but now the interviewer, or if you are giving this or solving this in some interview, the interviewer can ask you that can you solve this in O of n, so, or like less time complexity. You can also see that if someone is asking you to like solve this in less than n log n, then they are like eventually asking you to solve it in O of n. Okay, so now O of n means that you cannot even sort it out. So let's try to figure it out. Let's assume that this is the input, and you want that the first element should be greater. Because in O of n algorithm, just try to come with me and like see how you can approach this question. So as you can see, in O of n you have to iterate from left to right. So let's start to iterate from left to right, and then see that because we want that the first element should be greater and the next element should be smaller, we can swap them out. If you swap them out, it will become like this, 5 and 3. Okay, now it will be like 5 3 4 1 2. So it is greater and then it is smaller. Now again take the two next consecutive elements. As you can see, it is greater than this, so it's fine. Then as you can see, it is smaller and then it's greater. So as you can see now, the same logic can also be used to like swap the consecutive elements, but you can also do this without even sorting out. Why this algorithm is working? Because after sorting there can be multiple ways to like make this in the waveform, because we just want that the first element should be greater, next element should be smaller, the next element should be greater. So what you can do here is just check for the next two elements. Now if we are holding this condition that it is just type of a constructive algorithm, the first two elements is in this form, then it's okay. We have to make the next algorithm again of this form, and then again of this form, and so on. So that's the next way. It is just you don't have to even sort this out, just comment this out. Do the same, iterate over the whole array, check that it is not, like if it is odd you will not do this, if it is not odd it is even, then you have to swap only if, because the condition for this is it should be if. Okay, so as you can see we are iterating over the first element and the third element. So this first element, if this first element, or we are comparing this and this element, then if this element is greater than equal to this element, then it is, we don't have to swap. But if this element, or if this element is actually smaller than, if a of I is smaller than a of I plus 1, then we have to swap. So that's what I've done. If a of I is smaller than a of I plus 1, then only we have to swap this element, and then we just have to return out. And both the questions are working fine, it is giving correct answer. I hope you understand the logic for both of the questions. If you still have any doubts, please mention now. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.